Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to share a location on iPhone. First thing first, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon on the top right corner, then tap Location Sharing. Now tap Share Location and choose how long you want to share your real-time location. You'll have to select a contact from your list. Just tap their account icon, then tap Share. It's important that if prompt, go to Settings, Maps, Location, and set to Always to allow real-time sharing even when the app isn't open. And if you want to share via link, tap More Options, then tap Copy, paste, and send the link via email, SMS, or any app. And once done, your chosen contact can view your real-time location easily. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.